Clay Buchholz looking to win his fourth straight start as the Red Sox and Royals continue a four-game set in Beantown. Top of the second gets Jose Guillen swinging. Later, Mitch Meyer, no contact for him as well. Buchholz setting the tone early. Bottom of the second, Red Sox threatening. Runners on second and third, nobody out. Mike Lowell sends a grounder towards second. That'll score Adrian Beltre. 1-0 Boston. Top of the fourth, Buchholz in a jam. 2 on, nobody out. Red Sox play a game of catch.
The 1-2. Swing, hard shot to third, grabbed by Beltre, fires to second, out, on to first, double play.
That call courtesy of WEEI Radio. Next batter, Jose Guillen, but he grounds out to first. No damage done. Bottom of the fifth, Red Sox trying to add insurance. Bases loaded, 2 out, but J.D. Drew grounds out to first, leaving all of his mates stranded. Top of the sixth, 2 on, 2 out. Guillen at bat again. This time he grounds it to a fielder's choice to third, as Buchholz once again escapes the jam. Bottom of the seventh, bases loaded, 1 out. Beltre grounds it to the 6-4-3 DP. Red Sox can't capitalize. Top of the eighth, Daniel Barden, runner on third, 1 out. Well, he takes care of business, gets Mike Aviles to strike out on a foul tip. Next batter, David DeJesus.
Against the White Sox, here's the pitch. Lefty hitter swings, hot shot, great stab by Pedroia. He gets up, fires to first, and got the out.
WEEI Radio with the call. Top of the ninth, Jonathan Papelbon in to close things out, 2 out. Alberto Callaspo lifts one deep to left field, but he will fly out to end the game. Papelbon gets his 12th save as Boston blanks Kansas City 1-0. Clay Buchholz posted 7 rows of zeros and combined with 2 relievers on a 5-hitter. He's won 6 of his last 7 starts.